am the boss. I'm here. What are you gonna do for me? Why are you here? Check up. Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is actually gonna be a clothing haul. Your girl ain't had no money. Your girl came into some funds, and your girl is a businesswoman now. And so I thought I would show you guys what I spent in Burlington. You know, I'm cheap. Scratch that. I'm frugal. We only want affordable business wear, y'all. We want to look good, but on a budget, okay? So I spent about $200 at Burlington, and I was like, let me show you guys what I got. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that way you'll know when I post. Yeah, because we're all going to be in the house for a while since, you know, the coronavirus is out. Yeah. So you can just go and binge my videos if you want. You know, something for y'all to do. But anyways, without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Okay, you guys, so I know I already said it. Basically, I was on a budget to spend $200 at Burlington Coat Factory. I don't think a lot of people know that they have other things other than coats there. But regardless, the place is super duper affordable and they have some nice fits. Like specifically this one that I have on right now is one of the first fits. Literally that I got. Basically, the whole reason I went to Burlington was because your girl has been doing an internship. It's actually at the end of the internship now. It actually finished yesterday. Was my last day. I was so sad. But anyways, I've been wearing business wear every single day because my administrator, she wears business attire and heels every single day because she is the boss and she is that girl. So, you know, I had to match up. If I'm learning from her, you know, I thought I was like, yeah, I'm about to get on my game. So I went to Burlington, I spent $189 without taxes at Burlington. But yeah, so let me just show you guys what I got. I love a good business casual, business look. I'm tired of wearing suits. So I went and got me a lot of good dresses and a jumper and a couple other things. So you guys will see what I have. So yeah, let's just get on with it and let me stop talking so much. Well, the whole video is going to be me talking. Let's see. Okay, so the first outfit that I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to insert the clip of me having it on. That's why I'm kind of moved over a little bit. But basically, it's just this jumper right here. The jumper ended up being, it was actually the most expensive thing that I got. It was $49 and it was the only thing that wasn't on sale. I don't understand why they do this, but they attach the tag to the original tag. So it was originally $139, but I got it at the low price of $49.99 and it is a size 4. And it's just a plain is it Calvin Klein? What is it? Yeah, it's a plain Calvin Klein jumper. It's really cute. As y'all can see, it fits me great. It is a little bit long, but I still feel like that girl in it. Like, it just gives me so like business proper. It's me. I'm here. I'm the boss. But yeah, overall, this jumper is everything. And yeah, let's just go on to the next thing. Okay, so the next dress, and this is actually the dress I wore on my last day, is this pink dress. I literally just wore it yesterday, so I'm sorry for the armpit, the deodorant stains if you see them. Leave me alone. This is just a pink, nice, it's a very thick material, and it comes with this kind of cheap looking chain. One of my coworkers was coming for me yesterday and he was like, oh, that looks like the same chain my dog has. Okay, sir. But anyways, so this was actually, it says it was originally $89. I don't be believing them, but I got it for $29.99. And so this is me in it. It looks really cute. It actually fits my body. A lot of people at my job have noticed that, like, okay, so a lot of the clothes that I got when I first started were clothes that my aunt gave me. And so they were a lot bigger. So I was wearing size like 8, but I was putting a belt on to cinch it in and stuff like that. But once I got these clothes and I realized I'm actually a size 4, the outfit just looks so much better, and they fit my body, you know, a little bit tighter than what I was used to wearing. So it makes me feel cute and petite, and yeah. And even though the chain looks a little, I don't know, hopefully it does not start to rust. I do need to wash this, and I don't know how washing this will affect it. So I'm going to have to figure that out and decide what I'm going to do. But yeah. Overall, like, that is a 10. That is everything. I'm cute in it. And it's a thick material, so it's not, like, thin and see-through. So you don't want thin and see-through when you're a businesswoman, you know? You got to be cute. Yeah. So the next item that I got is actually this black, it says black and cream, but it's not really black and cream. This black and cream, black, I think, I don't know if it kind of gives me like a houndstooth, kind of like a, I don't know, just a knit kind of material. It has like the details of the gold, and then like the gold pockets on it, which is actually super cute, but they're actually not pockets, so that's kind of annoying. I got this in a size 4, like everything else, and I got it for $29.99. Super cute. Y'all see it on me. I feel like that girl. I paired it with my black shoes, just because, you know, black, keeping it on. And this is the type of outfit I would wear with a red lip, like just the pop, like, yes, I am the boss, I'm here. You know, what are you gonna do for me? Why are you here? Listen, check up. Okay, I'm done. But yeah, this is also Calvin Klein. I see I guess they have a lot of Calvin Klein in that in Burlington. Okay, so the second to last dress that I actually have is another Calvin Klein dress. It's a red one right here. I actually have not worn it yet. I did take the Calvin Klein belt off of it and wore it with my pants yesterday, and it made me feel like super cute. But yeah, this one gives me old lady vibes a little bit, but I still feel super professional in it. And I like the quarter sleeves because sometimes you just don't like wearing your shoulders out all the time. And it get cold where I work, it's always freezing. So I always have to put a sweater on over that stuff if, you know, if I'm cold. So yeah, basically I really went into not trying to get so much black stuff. I wanted some power colors, you know, in my wardrobe, not being so black and white all the time. So this was originally $134 supposedly, and I got it for the low price of $19.99 because it was on sale. So yeah, I got this also in a size 4, and I paired it with my black shoes. So yeah, y'all can see that. It's cute and it's high-low. I didn't notice that when I first got it. So maybe that's what makes me kind of not like it, kind of like it. I don't know. But I do like the little V at the top. And it's not an inappropriate V, but it's still like a cute one. So if I wear my good bra, I'm cute and I'm popping, basically. Okay, so the next thing I got was this turtleneck. I just really wanted a tan turtleneck. This really didn't have much to do with business casual. I guess it could be like a business casual thing. I bought it originally to go up under like one of my jumpers that has my chest out. But then when I got it, it didn't look right, so I had to pair it with something else. So I have not tried this on for you guys yet. So I don't even know what I'm gonna try it on for you guys with. So y'all will see, and y'all will see how cute it looks on me. It's just a cute little plain turtleneck. I'm a turtleneck girl. I love turtlenecks. So yeah. And if you are single and you have a boo, if you ever get any kind of, hickeys, you can cover it up with a turtleneck. So that's a tip for y'all. Not me. I don't be doing that. I don't have that problem, but but anyways, I got this in the size medium, and I got it for $10.99. Okay, so second to last item. This is a skirt, just a plain skirt. I paired it with just a cute white top. It is actually blue. I don't know. I think y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all can see that. It looks pretty big. I know that. It is pretty big. I have not edited it yet. I haven't. Basically, I was being crazy and I bought a size medium when I should have bought a small. But I just really wanted this, and I really only need to take up like just a little bit, just maybe like just like this much for it to be like tight the way I want it to. But it's not gonna take much to tighten this. Like, this is easy. This is an easy fix. So I bought it. I got it for $12.99, and like I said, it was a medium. So yeah, it's really cute, and it has so much potential, and I just had to get it. So this is the last item that I got. I wonder, is this Calvin Klein? Nope, this is Donna Rococo, New York something. This, I actually wore this on Valentine's Day, and I was that girl. This is like the cutest dress in the whole wide world. It has such great detailing to it. It's a size 4. I got it for $29.99, and like just the detailing at the bottom just makes everything so freaking cute. Like, so cute. And I like the V, and it fits so great on me, as you guys can see. But yeah, this was the last thing that I got. I love anything that cinches in the waist a little bit without having to wear a belt. It still just cinches you in a little bit, just yeah. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I really got some really good pieces from Burlington. They got some hidden gems in there. And to tell you the truth, like, I got this jumper. I saw this jumper probably like a week before. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go spend some money in there. I hid it. I hid it in the store because they do not let you do, they don't hold things for you, which is so annoying. But I literally had to hide it in some clothes and stuff. But regardless, they have a lot of great things there. I paid for this with my own money. Not sponsored by Burlington. I wish, because your girl really wants to be a businesswoman and wants and needs more clothes. Yeah. But if you guys want me to do another video like this, just let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below, what is your favorite outfit? Like, what dress was just popping to you? Which one do you have to go get now? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Queen Beauty, out.